Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom on REALME GT2. And to do this you'll need to open a Google Play Store. Inside look for Google Classroom. Select it and download it. When the installation process is finished, hit the open, allow to send notifications and select Get Started. Now pick which email address will be set for this classroom and click on OK. Then tap on the plus button, join class, enter a class code in the pool right here, and then click Join to connect with your class. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.